Click on the link below to get price. The Qlife Racer Electric Bike for adults is a remarkable option for those seeking a perfect blend of performance, versatility, and style. As part of the growing trend of electric mountain bikes, the Qlife Racer impresses with its 21-speed transmission system, allowing riders to tackle varied terrains with ease. The combination of pedal assist and throttle modes makes it suitable for both leisurely rides and more challenging mountain trails. One of the standout features of the Qlife Racer is its powerful 500W motor, which provides ample torque and speed. Riders can effortlessly cruise up steep inclines without breaking a sweat, thanks to the bike's robust battery, which delivers an impressive range of approximately 40 miles on a single charge. This makes it ideal for long-distance rides or daily commutes. Additionally, the bike can reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, offering an exhilarating experience for adventure seekers. The aluminum frame is not only lightweight but also incredibly durable, designed to withstand rigorous outdoor conditions. The adjustable front suspension system enhances ride quality, absorbing shocks and bumps even on rough trails. The 27.5-inch wheels strike a perfect balance between stability and agility, making cornering and maneuvering through tight spaces seamless. Another great aspect of the Qlife Racer is its sleek design. Available in various colors, the bike is visually appealing and sure to turn heads. The inclusion of bright LED lights adds a layer of safety for nighttime rides, ensuring visibility and awareness for both the rider and motorists. In terms of assembly, the bike comes mostly pre-assembled, making the setup process straightforward for most users. The instructions are clear, and it takes only a short time to get it ready for the first ride. Overall, the Qlife Racer Electric Bike is an excellent investment for anyone wanting to enhance their cycling experience. Whether you're a seasoned mountain biker or a casual rider, this e-bike offers the perfect combination of power, comfort, and style.